Biochemist Hongjie Guo is always thinking about what she can do to make a difference in the world of medicine for the advancement of healthcare. The St. Louis scientist is battling a range of diseases from the bench through her expertise.
To produce a protein in very high quality and quantity.
Her path to success started at a young age in China as the youngest of 5 children in her family.
I got my PhD from China, Nankai University.
She immigrated to the U.S. from China 19 years ago. Guo was a postdoctoral fellow at the Ohio State University before moving to St. Louis 16 years ago. She became a research scientist in a microbiology lab at Washington University before working for bioscience companies in St. Louis.
My specialty is membrane protein, which is probably the most difficult protein to produce.
She says membrane proteins account for up to 60% of drug targets for the treatment of various diseases. And she says membrane proteins are challenging for drug companies to produce. Having worked for a startup company supported by BioGenerator, the investment arm of BioSTL, Guo's experience gave her ideas of her own. She became an entrepreneur in 2020 as the founder of Tiger Biologics.
We focus on the recombinant protein or antibody production.
Tiger Biologics produces high-quality proteins and antibodies for pharmaceutical companies and institutions.
Some of the clients, they don't have the ability to do any protein production work, and then some proteins are difficult to produce. For example, they need TB vaccine, they need shingles vaccine. So then I'm kind of like their R&D arm.
Contributing to the production and development of vaccines, therapeutics, and diagnostics. The work is done in BioGenerator labs, as Tiger Biologics is supported by BioGenerator Ventures. Here, she has access to expensive lab equipment for the company's specialized work.
Just like that piece of equipment, over $50,000. So just for startup, we cannot afford that, but with the support from BioGenerator, we have all those equipments. That's one layer. Location is great, it's close to Washoe, close to SLU. That's also like easier for us to get business from the Washoe professor. They can work to my company, I can work to their office. It's so convenient. The experience with BioGenerator is fascinating.